Old Bay beef jerky inspired by the state of Delaware. It's a simple recipe. 1 pound of lean meat. This is stir fry. We've got a half a cup of Worcestershire, a fourth of a cup of soy sauce, a fourth of a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic, 1 teaspoon of granulated onion, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and star of the show, 1 tablespoon of Old Bay. We'll shake it up real good. Get our vacuum marinade tumbler. If you don't have one, get you a Ziploc bag and throw it in the refrigerator overnight. But if you have a vacuum marinade tumbler, you can do the same results in 15 minutes. If you're curious about one of these, there'll be a link in the video description down below. 15 minutes. Dehydrator's loaded up. Dehydrator on. 3 hours to go. There you have it. Small batch beef jerky, Delaware, Old Bay. If you like this video, I know you're going to like this next video. So go ahead and check that out while I try me some of this jerky. Now that's good. I love Old Bay seasoning. Y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. You have a good one now, and you come back. Yep.